Circle. I'm talking to you today about the new program called Affiliate Secrets. It's a review by Spencer Mecham. And so today it's all about what is Affiliate Secrets? What is this hype about? Was it actually hype? Is this something that you need? Guys, Spencer is the person to learn things from. Now, he is somebody that I first found when I got into this space. Affiliate marketing is right up his alley. Passive income is his main jam, and the way he breaks things down is such an easy, simple, step by step framework that really you can't lose. He's just an all around, wholesome, awesome person. So I'm going to jump right in so you can see over the shoulder walk through a demo of the Affiliate Secrets 3.0. Now, this is what's in the 2.0, how to pick wildly profitable niches with no one else is targeting. So then that way you can get in before everybody else. You can kind of pick through and see exactly what makes the most sense to how to market to people that you might not have even, they might not have come to mind for you. So this is insanely high profit potential. This is, I'm kind of in the way here, let's move this. This is a full course on YouTube, Facebook, blogging, TikTok. It's nice that TikTok's included because he'll show you exactly how to drive traffic. So it's not good enough to just pick an item to promote, but you want to make sure that you have that link so you can promote it. But people need to actually see that. They need to be able, you need to send traffic to that link because that's what gets people really motivated to buy. So that's when it becomes a true passive income using affiliate marketing. So you want to basically, Spencer is going to tell you all those little secrets in this program. Now, if you want this program, I'm still going to walk through the steps here with you, but if you want the program, I'm going to leave the link in the description for you so you can go check it out. He also has a piece that's free. He also has a webinar that he's going to have coming up that's on training. It talks again a little bit about this affiliate marketing stuff. So he's put together this course, which is all his knowledge up until now, and he just keeps revamping these, and it just keeps getting better. So I'm going to keep going with the walkthrough here. So he's also going to be talking about how to use completely free traffic, how to generate your email so that they can, get populated, get out to your list, get people, interested to buy you the things that you want, get them seeing the products, getting them, value and helping them making those connections, and how to create a landing page that converts. So he's kind of included all of the platforms so that you can sort of just crush it on everything. If being on video is not your thing, then maybe writing a blog is. And maybe if blogging is not your thing, then maybe Facebook is. Maybe you just want to write short little things and put a post out. But maybe you don't want to use your Facebook account because that's kind of weird. So you want to do maybe some YouTube videos because you just want to stay removed from what you've already created. And then TikTok. I mean, everybody's sort of rushing towards TikTok. Traffic right now is hot. So, yeah, that's kind of his thing. These are the bonuses that he's offering. So done for you email sequences, landing pages, where to outsource things. I mean, if you don't have time, Spencer's going to show you exactly where to go to purchase the products to help build the whole affiliate marketing ecosystem that you're going to need. So let's have a look. The Adwords Secrets, that's kind of neat. I mean, who doesn't like free money from AdWords? Putting those ads on your blog is huge. What else? So this is basically how to get out of your 9 to 5. These are some of the things that people have to say about the course, which is nice. Now, I also want to talk about his free, because Spencer is all about giving value. So he also has right over here, I'm again in the way, free, so you can access some of the stuff that Spencer just kind of puts out because he's Spencer. Affiliate marketing, how to get started, email marketing, how to get started, building your blog. So these are the fundamental pieces of just a little taste of what you're going to be getting in the bigger course. In copywriting secrets, funnel creating, creating online courses. All of those things are part of a snippet of the free things that Spencer provides for people just to help them get started. So the Affiliate Secret 3.0 link to the webinar will be in the description. Also, the free course here will be in the description. And the webinar, it depends when you see this. Right now, it's scheduled for July 21st. And let's see if it's in his, I don't think it's on this one where it tells you when the webinar is. But yes, he has his webinar coming up, and he has, I think it's actually on this one right here. Nope, same thing. So yes, I will leave the links below. Any questions that you have, let me know, type them in the comments, and I will be sure to answer those. Thanks for staying tuned. Take care.